Hey guys, how's it going? I know it's been a while since I've done a video. It's just kind of been like the mundane stuff, like planning out stops and stuff like that and getting food ready. Um, but today I'll just go over like basically food for the first 5 days. All right, stay tuned. All right, so before I start this video, I'm just gonna go over here. I'm gonna highlight everything that goes into my food bag, and then I'll get it all into the food bag, and then we'll take and weigh it. Just see how much food weighs. I like to try and stay somewhat fairly organized, okay? So we'll start off breakfast. Kind of simple. Oatmeal, single packets. You just rip the top off, throw the hot water in there, hold it, wait, and voila, like a minute or two, you got breakfast. All right, this bag, I got some Carnation Instant Starts. I got a Propel in here, some little bit of Folgers. I found these Alpine Start coffees that already have creamer in them. It's kind of nice. All right, otherwise than that, though, I've got some Noon, blueberry pomegranate, best flavor there is, and a Land O'Lakes hot chocolate. I like to have one just in case I'm freezing my butt off at night, and then I can kind of get up, make a hot chocolate, and it kind of warms you up really quick. All right, snacks. It's just bars for the first 5 days. Hiker hunger doesn't really kick in for that little stint, but I mean Snickers and Sunbelt Bakery fudge dipped coconut granola bars. Those things are amazing. Yeah. I also have some Hershey's little tiny fun size ones in here for at night when I get to camp. Kind of like helps keep you warm, especially, I mean, I'm starting in February, so I want to stay as warm as I possibly can. All right, we'll move on to lunch. Basically, since I'm allergic to tuna, I have these Great Value premium white chickens. Those are pretty good. And I have the Chicken Creations. Hands down, buffalo was my favorite. Now I pair that up with a 6-inch tortilla, and I am, for lack of a better term, a happy camper. Yeah, so smoked 3-bean chili from Good to Go. I like it. I can actually eat it. Classic marinara with pasta. Again, classic. You can't go wrong with it. Mountain House meal, beef stroganoff. This is the only one person I could find. I've been looking for the mac and cheese. That one's my absolute favorite from them. That and the chili mac. All right, another marinara. And then cheddar broccoli. These pasta sides, man. Those things are so good. All right, so let's pack it all up and see how much it weighs. All right. I always throw these in at the bottom so that way I can kind of stagger them because of the shape of the package. Those always tend to eat up the most room. All right, we'll throw. Yeah, almost forgot. Trash bag. I like to keep these Ziploc sliders just because, easy to open and stuff, just for trash. Throw that in here. Air out. For 5 days worth of food. Not bad. So yeah, I kind of just wanted to put a video out for you guys that was still related to backpacking, but It's just the mundane stuff right now. So I don't want to bore you guys with like the details within the details within the details. So I'll have another gear video come out before I leave. Everything that kind of like made the final cut and everything. But hey, I really want to thank you guys. Seriously, 1,000 subscribers, man. You guys like made my day. Thank you. Oh my God. So yeah, if you guys want, check out my older videos, you know, kind of catch up to see where I'm at, how I got to this point already. Also, I'm just like you guys, I'm going to be watching other people that start before me, and kind of want to check out trail conditions, whether, you know, I might overanalyze a few things a little differently than you guys do, but I'm still watching for the entertainment value as well. So anyways, thank you guys. Y'all have fun. Later.